The main error that most people make in breathing is breathing shallowly, like they're not breathing enough with the diaphragm, not filling the full amount of the lungs, which of course would be a reflection they're not fully participating in life and learning to breathe. So if they are participating in life coming into the body, they are likely to learn by extension to participate more into life. Any correct breathing for normal day-to-day application, there will be the diaphragm dropping first so that the air is brought into the lungs, and then fill the middle of the lungs, and then the top of the lungs, which is using the intercostal muscles third. People who are very nervous, frightened, not well participating in life, suffering from the effects of drugs, depressed, will be breathing more with the top of the lungs and not letting air come in deep. Conditions like asthma